Toastmaster of the day for giving me this opportunity. Well, table topic is one of the most interesting which I find in entire Toastmaster section. And table topic is basically in life, you never get anything like all the time you are prepared. You have to be spontaneous. You have to be with spontaneous. You have to be logical, and with logical you have to be persuasive as such. And table topic will give an opportunity to you to think on your feet and ruminate the deeper inside of you, ruminating what's your brain thinking and coming those things out of you. So I will be needing 5 volunteers to speak up on this in the topic which I'll be giving. 5 volunteers, please quickly raise your. Okay, Shakti, I have you. Okay, Shita, I have you. 3 more. I encourage the guests to please participate. Shekhar, 1, you are already there. Without you raise your hand. So you are already there. And 2 more. I need 2 more. Okay, Ashish, you are there. And 1 more. Nupur, how about you?
I will be the last one.
Who is this?
So Vijay.
Vijay. Somehow I feel like let's give opportunity this time to Nupur. Ashish, if you do not mind. Okay, Nupur, Irshita, Shakti, Yashank, and Shekhar. Is it? So I already have the number. So I like to give an opportunity this time to you all. Okay. Let's start. Keep rolling. Is your sleep in your sleep? Which place you imagine the most? In your sleep, which place you imagine the most? Irshita?
This has been my dream ever since I remember. And this is not a dream of open eyes. This is a dream I see when I'm sleeping. Like I'm falling from this high cliff and I'm trying to shout for help. Help me. But the word just doesn't come out. This has been the dream I've been trying to get rid of, but still it comes to me. But if I have to say something I imagine about, it has been my favorite destination, Himalayas. So I'm all crazy about going to trekking and doing the mountaineering. So if I say I imagine, there's this place which I cannot describe in words. There's the beautiful trees and it's a beautiful valley. All surrounding me are Himalayas, the snow-clad white mountains. And then there's sound of music of river. The only words I hear is actually not words, it's the chirping of birds and it's the music of flowing water. That's the place I imagine, and that's the place I really want to see in my dreams, but I'm not able to see it with my eyes closed. So I open my eyes wide open, and that's how I imagine the place where I really want to be in my dreams, in my life, and like every time. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishita, for that wonderfully narrating the story. And because I'm also playing the role of a timer, so I have to grasp both the thing at the same time. Now I would like to go on with the second topic. When is the last time you had a sound sleep? When is the last time?
Like I make the sound in the sleeping, but uh, I believe I am not making any sound while sleeping. Yeah, so that is all from my side.
Okay, Nupur, fine. That's absolutely fine. Can anyone take the timer's role because I
Yes.
am facing
Yes.
problem with
Yes.
simultaneously doing the same job at the
Yes.
same time.
I understand. I can. I will show the time,
Okay.
and yes, I will show the timer cards, and you can play the TP.
Sure, sure. Thank you, Mir, for that. So I'll go on with the third topic is after 36 hours of not sleeping and a choice would have been given to you between a sleep or to work for a promotion, what would you choose and why? Yashank, I think you are the third speaker, no?
Yes, I am the third speaker.
Okay. Okay, Yashank, it's for you. So I'll repeat the topic again. After 36 hours of not sleeping, and choice would have given to you between a sleep or to work for a
Yes, I
promotion.
wouldn't actually recognize anyone, be it you people or anybody else. So yes, my choice would be to sleep and have a sleep because waking up more than for 24 hours is actually very unhealthy for your body. It harms too much to yourself, be it mentally, be it physically. Your metabolism goes down, your immunity goes down, and the wake of corona, I would suggest immunity is the key to everything, as you can already see how many people are dying of it. So yeah, that's it from my side. So I would say yes, I would always choose sleep over anything else.
And thank you, Yashank, for that wonderful explaining. But I'm telling you the fact, I have been like not slept. In 36 hours, I've slept for 2 hours. Used to be this kind of events when we used to prepare a budget every year, at least for 5 6 days. We go in this kind of traumatized situation. I have been and multiple times. So moving on to the third speaker or fourth speaker. Your boss saw you sleeping. All right. Your boss saw you sleeping. What is your reaction after you saw him? Shakti?
Yeah, thank you, Indra. There's one situation in a life like when I was lying on my office chair and boss comes to that area and saw me like I was sleeping very badly, and he didn't say anything to me. In fact, he said like it's okay, take a nap. Maybe it's wondering for all, but yes, this is the situation of one of the black night in office because that's some migration task going on. Who don't understand migration task, let me explain a little bit. Whenever we move our server from one location to different location, so we have to do lot of things, and sometimes all the planned activity may go beyond the level. So we have like forced to fix everything as soon as possible so that production environment can go up and billing and other billing things, revenue related things can goes on. So that is the one of the that kind of situation when we were working since like more than 24 hours or maybe 36 hours maybe. So but we are not able to manage that thing, and during that time like whole team is working. So that's all the situation, and that is the one more thing that give me a kind of lesson that no matter what you wanted to do in your life or something, but when sleeping is the one of the important key factor in your life, you can't even avoid. At least for some power nap is required. Without that power nap you can't go. And yes, power nap is one of the very powerful tool for human brain. Like if you take 10 minutes power nap in that bad situation, it will recharge you very quickly for another 24 hours. So yes, whenever you're stuck in that situation, always head down and try to take a power nap with even timer if you are in very crucial job or something. But definitely take a power nap instead showing hesitation. So there's no need to ruminate a lot to sleep or not. Just go and take a break, whenever you happen. And yes, and sleeping is one of the important thing in our life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shakti, for highlighting the points like power nap. And this has been one of my favorite hobby, in fact, in the office, because I used to take a lot of power nap for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not only in the office while driving, almost like long journey. I used to take power nap while it's really works like an effective. Thank you very much for highlighting those points. Now we have the last speaker who will be speaking for the topic is the last speaker is Shekhar. Shekhar, can you hear me? Can I see your videos as such so that we can see your smiling face in this meeting?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me see you as well. Okay, Shekhar. The last topic is for you. How will you make a baby go to sleep? How will you make a baby go to sleep, Shekhar?
Before I make any pointers on my pointers, I need to ruminate all the facts and on these and the stories. But I don't have any stories as such because I have not experienced any babysitting in my life. I have a nephew, but he used to wake me in the morning, but I have never slept with him. I mean, I have never done a babysitting kind of a thing with him. So
ये इंडिया टाइम है मैक्सिको टाइम है
sorry.
No, carry on.
Okay. So what I can do to make him sleep is I can make sure that whether he is not hungry, if he is fond of having any chocolates or butter bread or anything like that, I can make sure whether he can have these kind of things, or I can ask him to play video games on my mobile. Probably he won't be having any mobile as such, or we can have a movie all together, or we can have a video game on Xbox or anything like that. Apart from that, I would be really worried if he pees anywhere on my clothes or on the bed. So I have to prepare for that also. But I have asked. I have tried. The baby wearing these. What do you call that? Pampers. That underwears of these babies. What do you call that? So I have tried those things also. So these could be, one of the parameters I can, I can evaluate before going on a sleep with them. I think that's it.
Thank you, Shekhar. I mean, how calm and composedly you have expressed your views. It was very nice. And that's how, Shekhar, you have to push yourself more harder. And that's what I also used to do, and all of us we used to do in that way. Next time, I want to see you with the prepared speech slot as well. And nicely, you have narrated. And you know what happened? I'll just share my small incident. I just kept my daughter in my car, and I was trying to make her sleep. And I was just from the outside, I was making this kind of sound, gestures and all to make her like happy or sleep, And few people just watched me from distance, and they thought me I'm a mad guy. They have not seen that child is inside. So many people, they gather it and they started watching me. Then when I saw them, then I took the baby, and they thought, okay, it is the child to whom I was showing those things. Otherwise, they thought like I'm a mad guy. And thank you, Sir Shekhar, for that. Is Ritu here? Ritu, are you here? Can I see you or hear you? Some glimpse, Ritu.
Yeah, she logged in, but now she is.
Okay, I think we should carry on with the other set of the evaluation. And thank you very much. And we are very much on time. Let's not take much of the time. Thank you very much, all the speaker. You are really brave. In fact, I was so scared to join this. Table topic speeches at the initial stage.